All right, what's going on, everybody? Connor here from Mojobreak.com for Saturday night, May 4th, 2024. We're doing another 4-box half case of brand new 2023 Topps Pristine Road to Euro 2024 soccer. This is a half case picker team style number 5. We got Peter with the Austria spot, Ethan 10 Belgium, Ryo 3 Croatia, DG Cool Czech and Denmark, C Kazi England, Johnny Thompson with the France spot, Joe S Georgia, Carlos Aguirre Germany, Peter Hungary, Ben V Iceland, Q1 Ireland, Lynn with Israel, Joe Italy, Ridwan Netherlands, Tim S got the last spot mojo Norway, Joe with the Poland spot, Nick with the Portugal spot, DG Cool Scotland, Carlos Aguirre Serbia, LXW 4900 with the Slovenia spot, Slovenia, Nick Spain, Alice 56 Sweden, Edlin with the Switzerland spot, LXW 4900 Turkey, and then Carlos Aguirre with the Wales spot. All right, good look, everybody. Heat going reconnaissance. Far left in that joint. Let's do it. Damn, Brazilians doing work tonight, huh? Zoomed in too much. Young Griffin zooming in a little too much. All right. First card is a Michael Richards for England, Pulsar Refractor in case base. Refractor of Johan Bakayoko, Belgium. Refractor base card, Ryan Porteous for Scotland. Porteous. Fabian Rueda. Goncalo Ramos insert for Portugal. A Pristine Borders, Arda Güler for Turkey. National debut, Arda Güler. Encased auto, Anthony Elangas for Sweden. Congrats, Sweden. Sweden picked up by Alice, 56. Sweden. Jasko for Croatia. Jasko, Croatia. Woo! Actually not one of the last team taken. Let's go. Erling Haaland, green refractor, 76 to 125. Norway, Tim. Erling Haaland, green refractor, early. Alejandro, inevitable. Henrik Larsson, inevitable insert. Blue refractor Rodri for Spain, 42 to 75 blue pulsar. Marco Verratti, Italy. Green refractor, Walt Weghorst, Netherlands to 125. Kevin Bazunu. Pristine borders of Bruno Fernandes for Portugal. Blue refractor, Matt Doherty for Ireland. 27 out of 75. Ireland blue. Jonas Wind, Denmark. Rodri Spain refractor. Inevitable. Romelu Lukaku. Pristine borders of Josk Vardio. National debut auto, another one for Sweden, Hugo Larsson. Sweden again, Alice. Second auto national debut. Nicholas Seawald, Austria. Gold. 16 out of 50 gold refractor national debut. Sivert Mansverk, Norway. Last team mojo again. Dennis Zakaria. Marvelous Moments of Patrick Kluivert for Netherlands. Marvelous Moments insert. All right, last pack for box 1. Noah Okafor autograph, Switzerland. Swiss Ellen. Noah Okafor, not numbered for the Swiss. All right, last pack of box number 1. Refractor, Omri Glazer. Bruno Fernandes for Portugal, refractor base. And Ardon Ardagula national debut inserts. And that's it for box 1. Okay. Box number 2. Let's see. That recon is about to sell off. Only 4 left. Quad double number 31 down to 21. Appreciate it, Ryan. Good luck. Recon has only 4 left, guys, for 845. That looks like it's about to sell out. Jamal Musiala, Germany, Pulsar refractor. That's going to be a Christian Eriksen, Denmark. Ola Brynhildsen, Norway, national debut. Brynhildsen. Eunice Ulnal. Marvelous Moments, orange refractor for Spain. Fernando Torres, 8 out of 25 orange refractor, Marvelous Moments. Spain, Nick. Pristine borders, Granit Xhaka, Switzerland. Let's go, Jose. Nice Silver Mansvark auto. Congrats. Last spot, Mojo, Norway. National debut. Norway, Tim. Last spot, Mojo. Again. Oh. That was a Luka Susic base refractor. And then a green Hakan for Turkey. Green refractor, 27-125. Karl Hanoglu. Hanoglu. Gamauer. Bilal Hussein, Sweden, national debut inserts. Bilal, remember the name. Insert auto. Marcel Sabitzer, Austria. 47 out of 199. Austria spot picked up by Peter. Sabitzer. Andrei Guljohnsen, Iceland. Purple refractor, 52 of 99. Denzel Dumfries, Netherlands. Pristine Prodigies, Jamal Musiala, insert. I don't think that's numbered. Let me check. Yeah, not numbered. Ruben Diaz, Portugal Pulsar refractor base card. Ruben Diaz. Georgie for Georgia. Green refractor, Henrik Larsson, Sweden. 40 out of 125. Oh, sorry, not 40. 110 out of 125. Gavi, Inevitable, Yusufa. Pristine Borders of Amadou, Belgium. Okay. Gold Courtois, Belgium. 10 out of 50 gold Pulsar. That's going to be a Zinedine Zidane for France. Robert Lewandowski, Poland. Joe Mendes. Jordan James Wells. Pristine Borders of Wolchik, Poland. Last pack for box number 2. National debut. Congrats, Portugal. Goncalo Ramos. Portugal, Nick. National debut auto. Goncalo Ramos. Kalo Ramos. Phil Foden, England. And a blue refractor of Rafael Guerrero, Portugal. 44 of 75. Bang. Inevitable Robert Lewandowski. Inevitable. All right. That was box number 2. Sixers gone in recon. 3 left. Recon about to sell out. There is also 6-box half case. 6 boxes in our Jam Master tonight. So 6 of the 20 is going to be recon too. So if you guys want more recon, there's 6 of them in that Jam Master mixer tonight. Last team that we're just waiting on looks like it's just the Blazers. All right, second half, box number 2. There's a half case of recon in that Jam Master tonight. There's a box of 23-24 Prism Hobby, box of 23-24 Prism Choice, 23-24 Origins, 23-24 Elite, 23-24 Revolution, 2 boxes of 21-22 Prism Hobby, 3 boxes of 22-23 Prism Choice, high-end 2021 Immaculate, which is the Anthony Edwards LaMelo Ball rookie year, high-end 1920 Impeccable, Giant Morant Zion, and then there's a case of quad double in the Jam Master tonight. Noah Okafor, second Noah Okafor for Switzerland. Swiss doubling up to start the second half. Switzerland, Edlin. Patrick Wimmer, João Felix for Portugal. Fabienne, Pristine Borders, Peter Musa, Croatia. Blue Pulsar Refractor, Mario Pasalic, Croatia, 13 out of 75. Charles F. Belgium. Green Refractor, Andre Goodjohnson, Iceland, 37 out of 125. Leo Ostergaard, Cristiano Ronaldo base. Nico Williams insert for Spain. Gold. Alan Shearer, England, gold refractor. C. Kazi with England, gold refractor, 17 out of 50. Mojobreak Sithel, check. And a gold Ousmane Dembele for France, 13 out of 50 gold. Inevitable Rando Colo. Pristine Borders of Courtois for Belgium. Henrik Larsson, Sweden. Pulsar Refractor, Sweden. Peter Schmidt, Skemko, Denmark. Memphis Depay, Netherlands. Henrik Larsson. Marvelous Moments of Cristiano Ronaldo for Portugal. Marvelous Moments. Portugal, Nick. Cristiano. Auto of Timo Werner for Germany. Congrats, Germany spot. Carlos Guire, Germany with the Timo Werner. Refractor auto. Manor Solomon, Israel. Gold. Rafael Guerrero for the Portugal spot. 48 out of 50 gold. Virgil Vaughn. Marvelous Moments. Renato Sanchez for Portugal. Marvelous Moments. All right. Gold. Omri Glazer, Israel. 6 out of 50 gold Pulsar. Israel with the gold. Last pack of box. Second to last pack of box number 3. John Luigi, Italy. Green Refractor of Conrad Lammer, Austria. Great name, by the way. 62 to 125. Conrad Lammer. Xavi, Wilfred Nanto. And Sabassar, Pristine Borders. All right. That was box number 3. Last box of the break coming up. I do have another 4 boxes of Pristine Soccer for you folks tomorrow, too, for Sunday night. Oh, all right. Last box. Fabian Rita, Switzerland. Pulsar Refractor. Timo Werner, Germany. And Paul Torres, Spain. Pau Torres. Pau Torres. Xavi Simons. Inevitable Fernando Torres. Pristine Borders. Josko, Croatia. Jusko. Auto. Nathan Aki, Netherlands. Nathan Aki, Netherlands. Ridwan. Congrats, Ridwan. A Antoine Griezmann, France. Purple refractor, Andre Gudjohnsen, Iceland. 22 of 99 purple. Xavi. National debut Belgium, Luis Openda. Belgium spot getting an auto. Belgium, Ethan 10. National pride or national debut, but I'm sure national pride as well. Ashik Snare, Iceland, Snare. Green refractor, Johan Bakayoko, Belgium, 83 out of 125 green. National debut. A Evan Ferguson national debut insert. All right, a couple more packs here. Chrome of 1 Racing, by the way, is down to 7 left. Skybox Metal Universe has only 5 left. Dominic for Hungary, Pulsar Refractor Base. Theo Hernandez, and then a gold Jan Vipotnik, Slovenia. Vipotnik, 10 out of 50. Chabi Alonso, Wilfred and Nanto. Pristine Borders of Sergey Milinkovic, Serbia. Milinkovic. Rodri Auto for Spain. Refracted Rodri Auto, Spain. Spain in the break. He is Spain Nick. Got that auto? All right, buddy. Couple more packs. Peter Stojanovic, Ardon Jashari, Switzerland refractor. No Okafor, Inevitable Harry Kane. Last pack of the break. Closing it with a blue Kevin Ebra, Belgium. 15 of 75. Blue Pulsar. Fagioli, Italy. Gold, Arda Guler. Congrats, Turkey. LXW, 4,900. Gold refractor, 14 out of 50. Pristine borders, Skeskny for Poland. And that's it. All right, everybody. That was another 4 boxes for you of brand new 2023 Topps Pristine Road to Euro 2024 Soccer. That was 4-box half case. Pick your team style. This one was PYT number 5 for Saturday night, May 4th, 2024. All card chip. You will get all your base. Congrats to the teams that got a nice hit or parallel. All right. Let's fill up the rest of this schedule. And if you guys want to do more Pristine Soccer, I have another half case PYT number 6 tomorrow for Sunday.